Hey Negi. I'm gonna start cooking. You wanna come see? Poki's already here. Okay. Now you're gonna chill there? Okay. Hey guys, welcome to my vlog channel, and today it's one of my favorite series, Snack Challenge. And thank you to Sakura for sponsoring this video and giving me an opportunity like this. This time I'm gonna try making pineapple mochi manju. Sounds really good. I never had it before. After I finish making mine, I'm gonna compare mine with this from Sakurako and also have Rachel, my wife, judge as well. Right, let's begin. These are the ingredients based on the back of the package. Pineapple. I don't think you guys ever seen pineapple, have you? Pineapple. They use white bean paste, but I couldn't find white bean paste, so I'm gonna use red bean paste instead. The flavor-wise, texture-wise, it's pretty much the same. Probably they use white bean paste for the color to make it like more yellow. I also look at the website of this manju, and here's an image of the manju being cut. I don't think I can make as pretty and beautiful as this one. But yeah, I'll see. Alright, let's get started. It smells really good. I don't need to use a lot, so I'm gonna just use a portion of it. Smells really good, doesn't it? I can't tell how small the pineapple are in the filling, but on the package, the pineapples are cubes, so I'm gonna do small cubes. Also, I prefer cubes. Pretty good. Red bean paste. Enough for you guys. Sorry. I'm gonna add a little bit of mizuname, sugar syrup. The red bean paste by itself tend to be like too sugary, but the pineapple actually balances out well. Pineapple bean paste. Next, manju skin and mizuname sugar syrup. And then baking soda, jusol. Sorry, Poki, this is not food. And then flour. When you mix the flour, make sure don't make it sticky. I'm gonna use a rice scooper. Okay, we're gonna rest this dough for about 10 minutes. It was sunny and nice weather, but suddenly raining heavily. Classic Japanese summer weather. I hear you, Poki. Okay, I'll go back to cooking. Alright, Poki, I'm back. So next, while resting the dough for the skin, manju, mochi layer. Yes, Poki, I'm back. Mochi, wait, this is previous stuff. Rice flour. Rice flour, sugar, and water. Okay, microwave. Okay. I don't usually use food coloring, but just to make it look similar, I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow food coloring. All right, prepared. Let's begin. I feel like my manju is gonna be bigger than the sakurako manju, but oh well. Okay, pineapple mochi daifuku manju. Okay, next I'm gonna steam this. Finally coat these manju with some egg whites so they don't crack open while steaming. Steam them for about 10 minutes. So soft. Smells good. Lastly, I'm gonna do something unnecessary. On my main channel, I visited a factory called Seki Seika Confectionery, and they totally inspired me to get me a yaki-in, so I got one for myself. Yep. This is so cute. This is so cute and fun. Oh my god. I love it. Homemade pineapple mochi manju is done. Okay, judging time. Thank you so much to Sakurako for sponsoring this video and giving me opportunity like this. Sakurako is a monthly Japanese snack subscription box that lets you experience Japan from the comfort of your home. They partner with local Japanese snack makers to provide 20 traditional, authentic, and artisan Japanese snacks, including Japanese tea and special Japanese item every month. This month, it's the Bingata Uchiwa, a popular bamboo fan. Does it help? This month's theme is Festivals of Okinawa. They have special snacks like Okinawa salt senbei, red tomato arare, and of course, pineapple mochi manju. It comes with a booklet that has information about all the snacks, ingredients, and allergens, as well as Japanese culture. Uchiwa Festival Cookie. These are from Seki Seika Confectionery from Kyoto, which I visited a few months ago on my main channel, Jun's Kitchen. Oh, they're so nice and lovely. If you're interested, use my code in the description to get $5 off of your first box. I'm gonna try these Seki Confectionery Uchiwa cookies and Sanpin tea, Sanpincha, and of course, pine mochi manju. Itadakimasu. The fireworks, I don't want to eat it. It looks so nice. Itadakimasu. Umai. This is a sweet cookie senbei. I like it a lot. Reminds me of the memories from Seki Seika Confectionery. I kind of want to go back. It is sweet, but not too sweet. It's really good snack, and it goes well with tea. It makes me want to drink some tea. Itadakimasu. Okinawa Sanpincha. Rachel, do you say jasmine or jasmine?
Jasmine.
Jasmine? Tastes kind of similar to jasmine tea. It's very fresh and herby, floral. I like it a lot. Okay, freshen my palate. Okay, moment of truth. Ta-da! Pine mochi manju. As you can see, it looks way better. Professionally made and smells really good. では Not bad. There's some air in spaces, but not bad, I think.
Red bean paste?
Yeah, they use white bean paste. I couldn't get white bean paste. They use red bean paste. That's why it's red.
June, there's a very large difference between these. Also, it doesn't look like they use pineapple chunks.
I know. In the image they showed me, it didn't look like they have chunks, but here it looks like they put pineapple cubes, and I wanted to make mine a little bit different. I like the crunchy texture.
Yeah. Pokey's judging you. Look at that judging face. He's hardcore judging you. Hi.
This is for Rachel.
Hi.
This is for Rachel.
Oh. You first.
I actually like the pineapple crunch bits, the cubes. It's good. I can definitely taste the pineapple. The outermost layer, I made the bottom part a little too thick. I wanted to make it thicker than usual, but I made it a little bit too thick. Fresh my palate. Okay, 10 out of 10. Oh my god. Wow. This is totally different product, different snack. So much softer, smooth, creamy. Wow. Oh, okay.
The flavors are all disconnected. They don't meld together.
Okay. It was very, very different. It was much better. I tried. I failed again.
But I like the stronger pineapple flavor in yours.
But as a product,
No, as a whole product, it didn't really work.
It's a different product. All right, as you guys expected, I lost, but I will keep challenging Sakurako. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Yeah? I mean, the middle part is good. It's good. Yeah, it's good stuff.